ongoing thing.
Hey, what's up guys, Christo here, and welcome back to a different video on my channel. I know I haven't uploaded for a long time, and getting out of school and stuff, and doing after all those school stuff, and stuff like that, I've been busy. And, with my free time, I have a lot of free time now because it's summer, and I wanted to get into coding, and coding is really interesting, and some people like it, and some people don't like it. But in my opinion, it helps you understand things better. And you just, instead of just knowing that they're there, knowing how they work. And this is my intentions for this series to help you guys. So if you want to head down to this website, which will be in the description, you can download Eclipse Neon. This is just basically an IDE, which is an integrated development environment, so you can code in here and stuff like that. Just install it and get yourself a workspace. It's self-explanatory really, and it should bring you to the screen. You won't have hope or anything. It'll look like this. There'll be 3 tabs down here, and just close this out. All you need is console. So what you want to do, you can either right click here and go to new and then Java project, or you can go to file, new, and then Java project. I just click here because it's easier. You can name this whatever you want. I'm just gonna name this YouTube. Wait for it to create. Everything will be set up. Make sure you also have Java 1.8, Java 8, or Java 7. You should have them on your computer already. It's not really that big of a deal. Some people tell you to install them, but they should already be on your computer. So you want to create a new package. A package is, once you start getting a lot of classes, which we'll get into later, these packages will absolutely save you. The name should be a domain that you have. I don't have any domain, and most people that do this don't have a domain. So I'm just going to have me.christo.tutorial. It has to be like that. I have no idea why this is here. 1 second. That would not be there for you guys. It's because I've already had a class named that. Delete that too. Okay. So you want to right click on your package and then go to your new in class. Name this class main because this will be your main class. Everything else will be set up fine. So this is your main class. Now we're going to be doing something that is called the Hello World. This will basically introduce you to all of Java, and this is basically your start. So go to line 4, it'll be set up like this. It'll have your package and then your class. Give it a few spaces if you want it to look a bit better. And what I'm going to do is, what you want to do is public static void main string args and then square bracket. What? 1 second, that did not work. Okay, there we go. And get a curly bracket after this. That means that it tells the other classes that this is your main class. And now the console down there, we're gonna have to make the console say whatever you want. So you have to type system, capital S, make sure that's a capital S, .out, .print line. You also have, maybe all these options will come down here. And and help will come over here. Sometimes this will help you, sometimes it'll guide you off track. And then just put parentheses and then quotes. If you press quotes, it'll put double quotes and it'll automatically select you inside of it. So you can put whatever you want in there. So we're gonna say hello world. You can put anything in here and just click run. And yeah, just select that. And it'll say hello world. You can put anything in here. You can put test. And if you run it again, this is your run button. It'll basically run everything that you have in your code to the console, and it'll say test. So if you want to do this again, you can type system.out.println, and we can do testing. Now this will print 2 lines from the console, I should say. So it'll put test and testing. You can do this as many times as you want, but that will be episode 1 of our Java tutorials. I hope you guys like this video. This is basically the basics of Java, and this is not really anything. The next episode will be out once we hit 10 views. I know it's not that much, but it makes me feel good. That sounds wrong, but it just gives me this thing that people actually watched it, and maybe people will like it. But anyway guys, that's the end of the video, and I'll see you in episode 2.
I'm in love
with the cocoa.